If you're looking to enhance your decor with plants but struggle to find the time for regular watering, self watering pots are an excellent solution. These pots draw water from a reservoir at the bottom, allowing you to refill only when needed, making them ideal for busy schedules or during trips. To set one up, simply attach the reservoir to the pot. Fill the bottom with moistened potting mix and plant your chosen plants, ensuring the soil remains loose for healthy root growth. Once planted, water the soil from above to eliminate air pockets. Then fill the reservoir completely. This pot will manage moisture levels efficiently, reducing evaporation and the risk of pests or fungus, while ensuring plants like herbs, ferns, begonias, and African violets thrive. With a self-watering pot, you can enjoy lush greenery with minimal upkeep.